Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering off the XM4 and removing any detachable cables and foam or silicone tips. This prevents moisture or damage. Once done, lay parts on a clean towel and collect a soft microfiber cloth, cotton swabs, a small brush, tweezers, and 70% plus isopropyl alcohol. Begin by gently prying off the ear pads at the seam where they meet the cup. Do this slowly to avoid tearing the retaining ring. Make sure to note how pads and mesh align, so reassembly is straightforward. Now you focus on the delicate middle steps. Remove dust from the speaker mesh with a soft, dry brush moving outward, then very lightly dampen a cotton swab with isopropyl and roll it over the mesh edges. Never soak the driver. For plastic cups and the headband, wipe with a microfiber cloth dampened with alcohol to remove oils and sweat. Make sure to avoid getting liquid into charging ports or hinge gaps. Check the cushions and hinge screws for wear and tighten, or replace parts as needed. Finish by pressing the ear pads back onto the cups, aligning the retention ring and ensuring they click into place so the seal and ANC performance return. Once assembled, power on, pair with a device, and play test audio at moderate volume to confirm even sound and no distortion. Make sure the charging contacts are dry before charging. If you detect static or uneven sound, reset the XM4 and repair. If problems persist, clean ports gently with a dry anti-static brush or seek professional.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.